In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Calendar reminders. Whether you find them distracting or simply prefer a different way to manage your time, turning off these reminders can help streamline your workflow and reduce digital clutter. Let's get started. First up, we'll need to navigate to the Google Calendar website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and head to calendar.google.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your email and password, then click Next to proceed. If you're already signed in, great. You can skip this step. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself looking at your calendar for the current month. For the purpose of our tutorial, we're going to use October 2024 as our reference. However, no matter what the current month is when you're following these instructions, the process will remain the same. Now it's time to open the Settings menu. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu where you will then click Settings. This will navigate you away from the calendar itself and into the Settings menu where we can adjust your notification preferences. Within the Settings menu, you're going to look for Notification Settings. It might require a bit of scrolling depending on your screen size, but it's there. Click on Notification Settings to access the area where you can manage how Google Calendar notifies you about upcoming events. Here's where you have the power to customize your notification experience. You'll see a drop-down menu that lets you select how you want to be notified. It probably defaults to alerts through the Google Calendar app or via email. Click on this menu to reveal your options. Lastly, you'll want to select Off. This option completely disables notifications from Google Calendar, meaning you won't receive any pop-ups, emails or app alerts for upcoming events. Once clicked, your settings should automatically save, making this the final step in the process. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off Google Calendar reminders. This will apply to all events past this point, so if you ever decide you missed the reminders or need them back for any reason, just reverse the process, head back into your settings and adjust your notification preferences again. It's always a good idea to regularly review and adjust your notification settings across all apps and services you use. It helps in managing your digital environment just the way you like it. Turning off unnecessary notifications can minimize distractions and contribute to a more focused and productive day. That wraps up our guide on how to turn off Google Calendar reminders. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.